rotate the ball better. Villa! David Villa. France have been awarded a free kick here. Sagnol. They certainly know what they're doing back there. Bend and dip, hit the post! Quickly. Just stopped him in his tracks. Malouda. Play on, said the referee. Here's Thuram. Referee was happy with the tackle. Sure, the victim was. Stole the ball there. Fabregas. Can he score? Can he go for it? Makaleli. Sergio Ramos. David Villa. There's a cross there! Just stopped him in his tracks. Real. Good luck down the wing. Curls it. Not such a good cross.
Well, when you're playing against 10 men, you've got to keep the pitch as big as you can. Use the forward. Well, they practice this day in, day out on the training ground. Now can they make it count here?
French free. It's a goal!
You hit them free kicks right, you leave the goalkeeper no chance. What a finish!
They paid the ultimate prize for giving away a free kick in such a dangerous area. Will he cross it? Flight it in. Only the keeper to beat. Battling the post. And look at this run. In on the goalkeeper. Real chance. He's finished it.
Breaks free with the ball, you're never going to catch him.
Now, will we look back at the end of this game and say that was the crucial goal? It puts it in a different light. Referee in the middle, let it go. Now Henry wins the ball, great saving tackle. David Villa. Defenders in control of that situation. Fabregas. Kind of skill that just takes the breath away. Blocked it. Could resist, could he? Armstrong then. Sergio Ramos. Xavi. Just stopped him in his tracks. Samuel. Poor delivery. It's ambitious. Oh, and he just didn't quite catch it as he hoped.
I don't mind that. You don't mind him having a pop now and again. That's not a bad effort.
Makaleli. He got the ball. Referee waving away the protest. Possibilities here. Didn't hold it. It's a goal. Created a chance. Goalkeeper Silva. Thuram. Makaleli. The timing was everything in that tackle. Got his foot on the ball. Well away. David Villa. Chance to shoot.
It really is. Now they must see off this corner.
Ball's got out of play. It's a corner to Spain. Got it clear. Can he score? It's well played by the defenders. They caught him offside. Sagnol. Malouda. Didn't stretch the cover. Sergio Ramos. David Villa. Fabulous dribbling ability. Can he put it away? Got to that well. Silva. Picked up at the back. Villa! Just stopped him in his tracks. And close to the ball is the goalkeeper. Well blocked. Xavi. Chance here. His hat-trick was quite something. Now he scored another.
He must be bonkers. His team are in front. He's got himself sent off.